YSR Congress Party President Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has staged a protest at Jantar Mantar in Delhi today. The former Andhra Pradesh CM had voiced his concern during the protest and demanded equal treatment to states. Shiv Sena Uddhav faction MP Sanjay Raut has also joined the protest against the Andhra Pradesh government. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav also extended his support to Jagan Mohan Reddy. Jagan Reddy criticized the current CM's son for allegedly promoting a red book containing the list of politicians. So these are, of course, the latest updates coming in. Jagan Mohan Reddy has begun a protest at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. The former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister is holding a protest in the national capital. Shiv Sena Uddhav faction has extended his support to Jagan Reddy's protest. Also, the Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has also supported Jagan Mohan Reddy. Let's quickly get in Arzu Seth for more details on this story. Arzu, what is the issue that Jagan Mohan Reddy has come out onto the streets in Jantar Mantar for?
Well, Uday, right now we are at the Jantar Mantar where YSRCP is holding the protest regarding the recent violence that had happened in the Andhra Pradesh, and you could see, a number of people have come all along from, from Andhra Pradesh, and the announcement of the protest came after the former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy has visited the family of YSRCP worker Rashid, who has been hacked to death, and in fact a lot of videos, photos have been shown on the screen regarding the violence post-election that had happened in Andhra Pradesh, and in fact a lot of workers, the supporters of YSRCP has come from Andhra Pradesh to show their support, regarding this protest. In fact, you can see on the screen also, videos are being played of the recent incident that has happened in the Andhra Pradesh. In fact, the YSRCP is, alleging the TDP of not making the law and order, proper in the Andhra Pradesh. In fact, few workers have also come here. What's the reason? And today you all have gathered here. What's the demand you are raising today?
We want justice. Andhra Pradesh, Telugudesam attacked by YSRCP. We want justice.
So what the demand are you raising? So you can see, a lot of people. What's the demand are you raising? Ma'am, can you please stand and tell the... So you can see, a large number of people have gathered here at the Jantar Mantar to raise their voice regarding the recent violence that happened in the Andhra Pradesh. Ma'am, what's the reason, what's the demand are you raising here at the Jantar Mantar?
We, from the state of Andhra Pradesh, our former Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and the whole party, YSR Congress Party, is here in Delhi today. We are protesting and we are requesting for President rule in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This is our demand.
Ma'am, what do you want to say today? You have come to national capital to raise the voice recent incident that has happened in Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, exactly. Delhi is not my state. My ex-chief minister and MLAs MPs also come there. What happened, everybody knows. Newspapers, videos, everything by there. But now CM is failure CM. Totally. Home Minister also totally failure. That's it.
So do you think still there is unrest in Andhra Pradesh and there is no maintenance in law and order in Andhra Pradesh right now?
Yeah, definitely. We, YSR Congress Party, we are protesting on the recent violence which have taken place in the state of Andhra Pradesh, and we have conducted a photo and a video exhibition so that we wanted to expose this in a span of 40 days. The NDA government, that is the TDP, the BJP and the Janasena alliance, which has taken recently its part as a government in Andhra Pradesh. In the span of 40 days, we have seen a lot of murders have taken place, and also we have seen in the constituency of the Home Minister where she is contesting. So there also there has been like a woman was brutally beaten by the TDP activists, and also we saw that there was a murder in Vinukonda. The person was brutally murdered only because he was a strong sympathizer of YSSP party, and also the YSSP party leaders, activists and also sympathizers have been targeted The
So now what demand are you raising from this platform?
The demand of the YSRCP party is to restore democracy, and we are also exposing the violence which has taken place in Andhra Pradesh on a national level. And today you could see that Akhilesh Yadav ji and also Muslim League Front and also from the Tamil Nadu MPs, the Shiva Sena. So all these MPs had taken part, and also we have brought to the national level exposure so that to restore democracy. And also Home Minister Amit Shah should take immediate action through what the violence going on in Andhra Pradesh, and we want to restore peace in Andhra Pradesh.
So clearly, Uday, we can see, this has now become a national issue as the India Alliance partners, allies have also come here on this stage. Akhilesh Yadav was here to, to focus on the law and order situation in the Andhra Pradesh. Shiv Sena, Uddhav Sanjay Raut was also here. Priyanka Chaturvedi has come here to stage the protest, to raise their voice, to support the YSRCP. And in fact, Sanjay Raut has also said that if he gets a chance, this issue will also be raised in the parliament. So now, this topic has been heated up and now has become a national issue. Yes, Uday.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.